Hey everybody, I'm here at the Tesla booth at the LA Auto Show. Yes, Tesla was not here in previous years, but they're here this year. And they've got this great location right in the center of the floor. Here we've got a Luna Silver Model X that they're showing off here. Looks to be the plaid Model X. This is a Model Y long range in blue, white interior. Here's a Model Y Performance with the stealth gray and the white interior. They've got a Cybertruck here, of course. Show's just opening up now, so this is just the beginning. Not too many people here yet. But pretty much every car's got somebody in it. They've got the Cybertruck here, and it's configured with the Cybertruck tent. So you can see the tent here, all the gear in the bottom. And oh man, this one is really sexy. The Tesla Model 3 Performance in Quicksilver, black interior. Oh my God, I want this color. This is just gorgeous. And we've got a Model S Plaid with ultra red. Love this color as well. Then your typical standard Model 3, white on white, very nice. And the start of the show here, I think, is going to be the Cybercab. Look at this baby. So clean.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it doesn't have any steering wheel.
No steering wheel and no pedals.
Yeah. And so yeah, I really want one of these. I can't wait to see it. And yeah, it's just a beautiful looking vehicle. And this is my favorite part. Tesla actually brought a computer so they can help people order right here from the show of the LA Auto Show.
Drive, we can do it overnight.